Hi, I'm Chris with Family Handyman. Everyone knows what zip ties are, but I have some great ideas that'll have your friends and family asking you for zip ties just so they can be as crafty as you are. Like everyone else, I have at least a dozen caulk guns, but the other day when I needed one, I didn't have one, so I had to improvise. Zip ties to the rescue. 1 tube of caulk, 1 clamp, a piece of wood, and of course, zip ties. Instant caulk gun. Have you ever found yourself involved in a project or referencing a recipe where you needed to see your phone, but you needed to be hands-free? Zip ties, instant phone stand. Are you tired of losing the lid to your garbage can? Simple solution, zip ties. Drill a couple holes here in the base, a couple more in the lid, fasten with zip ties, and you'll never lose the lid to your garbage can again. So we have a clogged drain. Do you know a zip tie can unclog it for you? Cut a couple notches into the zip tie, insert it into the drain, and the clog is gone. Are you annoyed when the lid becomes separated from your storage container? Zip ties. Drill a hole here in the base, another one here in the lid, fasten together with the zip tie, and they'll be together forever. We have more great ideas like these, plus a whole lot more tips, tricks, and hacks at FamilyHandyman.com.